The Calendar of Kindness. This is the story of a calendar that changes its date every day, but sometimes one date changes the calendar forever. This is the story of a boy named Ahmad who belonged to a very poor family. When he was only 7 years old, his mother passed away. From that day, only his father was there to raise him. His father worked very hard in a railway garage, earning just enough to make ends meet. Even during those difficult times, he ensured that Ahmad went to school. They ate less, saved money, and paid Ahmad school fees. Ahmad was 13 years old. At such a young age, he had learned to take care of the house. Every day, he would wake up at 5 a.m., cook for himself and his father, and then go to school. His father would go to the garage. Their life was difficult, but they never complained. One evening, when his father came home, he saw that their small hut was filled with smoke everywhere. The wood Ahmad was using to cook was wet and wasn't catching fire properly. The room was filled with smoke and Ahmad was coughing badly. His father rushed to him and brought him outside. "Look at yourself, your eyes have turned red. You are coughing so badly. Why did you start cooking? I could have done it today." But Ahmad smiled and said, "No, father. You work all day, you get tired. I don't want you to work and also cook. I come home early from school, so from now on, I will cook." His father's heart swelled. He smiled and said, "Then tonight, we won't eat at home. I got my salary today. Let's go out and eat." This was a rare moment of happiness in their difficult life. Ahmad was intelligent and hardworking. Even after doing all the household chores, he always topped his class. His father had a dream for Ahmad to become a doctor, and Ahmad was determined to fulfill that dream. But then life took a painful turn. One day while working in the garage, a heavy piece of iron fell on his father's feet. The injury was so severe that doctors had to amputate both his feet. 5 months later, his father returned home from the hospital broken and hopeless. "I had so many dreams. First I lost your mother and now my feet. I just wanted to see you become a doctor, but now it seems that dream will never come true." Ahmad sat beside him, held his hand, and gently said, "Don't worry, father. Your dream is still alive. I promise I will become a doctor, no matter how difficult it is." From that day, Ahmad started doing everything himself. He would study in the morning, go to school, and after school, he would go door to door selling small battery cells for a company. The little money he earned helped him pay his school fees and buy food. On Saturday and Sunday, he would sell battery cells all day. But one week nothing was selling. He was tired, hungry, and heartbroken. It was the last day to submit his college admission form, but he didn't have the money. By evening, he hadn't sold a single battery cell. Exhausted and desperate, he reached one last house. This time he thought, if they don't buy the battery cells, I will at least ask for food. A kind old man opened the door. Seeing Ahmad's tired face, he said, "You look very hungry. Eat this food first and drink some water." After eating, he asked, "Don't you go to school?" "Yes, uncle. I have passed 12th grade, but today I haven't sold a single battery cell. I don't think I will be able to pay my admission fee now." The old man felt sorry for him. "How much money do you need?" 1,000 rupees, he replied softly. He went inside, came back with the money, and gave it to him. "Here, take this. Go and fill your form." Ahmad couldn't believe it. He touched his feet, thanked him with tearful eyes, and rushed to fill the form. Many years passed. With hard work, Ahmad became a famous doctor in the city. He even opened his own hospital. His father's happiness knew no bounds. One day, a very serious case came to the hospital. The patient was an elderly man. He had no family and was in the final stage of TB with one lung completely damaged. Ahmad immediately told his team, "Admit him right now, we have to treat him." But his junior said, "Sir, his treatment will cost millions. I don't think he can afford it." Ahmad replied, "Money is not important. Life is important. Admit him immediately." For a month, he provided him with the best treatment. Day and night he stayed with him until he got better. Finally, the old man was ready to go home. A nurse came and gave him an envelope. "This is your bill, uncle." The old man was terrified. I am better now, but how will I pay for this? He slowly opened the envelope, but there was no bill inside. Instead, there was a note that read, "Don't worry, the bill for your treatment was paid long ago with those 1000 rupees that you gave to a boy selling battery cells. That boy is now a doctor and he saved your life. He can never repay your kindness, but this treatment is a small gift from him." Tears welled up in the old man's eyes. Just then Ahmed entered the room, looked at him with a smile and said, "Yes, uncle, I am that boy. That day you didn't just give me money, you gave me a future. You helped me become a doctor, and today I got a chance to return that kindness." The old man silently wept, not from sadness, but because of the miracle of kindness he had once shown. No matter how difficult life is, love, sacrifice, and kindness can create miracles. A father's dedication, a boy's determination, and a stranger's simple generosity changed a life forever. When we help someone without any expectation, we might be shaping a future we never imagined. Therefore, never underestimate the power of small acts of kindness. They have the ability to change the world.
If you enjoyed this story, please support us by giving it a like, subscribe to join our family, and share this message with others. Thank you.